Hello little champs, welcome to our new video. Today you will learn English alphabet A to Z. A for alien. A for alien. B. B for bee. B for bee. C. C for cow. C for cow. D. D for duck. D for duck. E. E for egg. E for egg. F. F for frog. F for frog. G. G for goat. G for goat. H. H for house. H for house. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jam. J for jam. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L. L for leaf. L for leaf. M. M for mushroom. M for mushroom. N. N for nuts. N for nuts. O. O for owl. O for owl. P. P for plane. P for plane. Q. Q for quit. Q for quilt. R. R for rocket. R for rocket. S. S for sock. S for sock. T. T for telephone. T for telephone. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for vulture. V for vulture. W. W for whale. W for whale. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yogurt. Y for yogurt. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zoo.